Every fall, Mother Nature gives gardeners her best gift of the year, leaves. For just the small price of collecting them and getting them into your beds, they're such a great return. So in today's video, I'm going to show you my favorite way to use those fall leaves in your garden and beds. We all know people who dread this time of year because of all the raking and blowing they need to do to get rid of their leaves. Well, I'm here to tell you they make the best amendment for any garden, landscape bed, or compost pile. Now, the first step is to get the leaves onto an area where you can collect them. Now, if the leaves are already on the grass, you don't need to do anything. But I like to get the leaves out of the beds as well and onto an area where I can put them into a larger container or mow them over for processing. The key is to make the whole leaves smaller so they break down quicker. The quicker that happens, the sooner they'll go to work as mulch and soil amendment in your garden. An easy way to shred the leaves is simply to mow over them with a lawnmower. A bagging attachment makes it easy to collect them and quickly disperse them right into your beds or compost bin. But not everyone has a mower with a bagging attachment. So here's another option. Collect whole leaves and place them in a large trash can. Insert a string trimmer into the can and use the trimmer much like you would a submersible blender in the kitchen. Then they're ready to go into the compost bin, a separate bin, or directly into your garden or landscape beds.